Hey guys, welcome back to About Technology. Here's a quick tutorial on how you can change a display language or keyboard language in Windows 11. To start, we have to open Settings window. For that, you have to simply write Settings in Windows search bar. So let's type Settings here. And you can click open the app from here. Or you can simply left click on Windows icon on the taskbar, and from the displayed menu, you have to click on Settings. Now, in Settings window in Navigation pane, you have to click on Time and Language. Under Time and Language, we have a section Language and Region. So let's click here. Now, if you can see here in Windows Display Language section, you can see the default language in which Windows features like Settings and File Explorer appear. So the default language of my system is English of United States. Now to change this default language, you have to click on Add Language in Preferred Language section. So let's click on this Add a Language button. It will open up a list of languages, so you have to choose the language that you want to add. Let's say I want to add an Italian language. So let's search for that. And here it is. If you can notice, this particular language supports features like display language, text-to-speech, speech recognition, and handwriting. It is mentioned in front of every language here that what and what not it supports. So let's click on this Italian language. And then you have to click on Next. Now here, it shows the language feature that I told about earlier. You can make your choice that with what features you want to install the language. Now, I'll go with all like text-to-speech, speech recognition, handwriting, and the most important one, that is display language. So I'll check this checkbox so that this Italian language is also set as my Windows display language. Now, I have to simply click on Install. The installation would take few minutes. And now, if you can see that the Windows display language is Italian now. Now, system is showing an alert that in order to apply the new display language, you have to sign out. So let's click on the sign out here. Now, I'm back again on the same window, and if you can notice, the system's display language has been changed to Italian now. If you can notice, all these sections and the navigation pane all are appearing in Italian language now. Now in case, in between, if you want to switch the display language, you simply have to click this down arrow here and you can switch the language. Let's say it is now Italian and I want to change it back to English, then I simply have to click English over here. And to implement the changed language, you have to simply sign out and sign in back again to the system. So this is how you can change the display language of your Windows 11 system. Now what about keyboard language? So this is where on taskbar you can see your keyboard layout. Let me click on this. So here you can see the languages that I have installed on my system, and right now my keyboard layout is in English language. If you want, you can easily change your keyboard layout from here. Let me show how. For that, you have to open on-screen keyboard. So let's type keyboard in Windows search bar. And here is this on-screen keyboard app. Click open the app from here, and this is your on-screen keyboard. Right now, keyboard layout is in English language. And if you want to change the layout of this keyboard, then you simply have to click this area on taskbar, and from here, you can choose the language in which you want to see your keyboard layout. Let's say I want to change the keyboard layout to Italian language, so I'll click Italian over here. And if you can notice, the keyboard layout has been changed to Italian. And there is also a shortcut to switch between the keyboard layouts. For that, you have to press the Windows button and the space bar simultaneously. Now let's check it out. You can see that the keyboard layout is changed to English. Now let's press it again. And you can see the keyboard layout has been changed to Italian again. So that's how you can change the display language and the keyboard language in Windows 11. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more Windows 11 videos, please subscribe this channel. It will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment below what other new videos would you like to see in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.